how to add music to Instagram Reels. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can add music to Instagram Reels in 2025. So it was very easy, but that we will simply open Instagram. Once you click on Instagram, here you guys will simply click on plus. Now here you guys will see Reels, Story, Post, you simply click on Reel. Now select your reel that you want to edit or add music. So I will simply add my reel. So I would add my reel. Let's find our reel. So let's suppose this was my reel. After that, selecting that, you guys will see next option, also music icon, also AA sticker option. So simply click on music. Here you guys can search for your favorite music to add. So I will select any music. So once I select music, you guys can click on that arrow. After that, click on done. Now your music was added to your Reels. After that, you will click on next, and once you click on next, you will see post option. So once you post it, that reel will be posted. Thanks for watching.